Hi everyone. I'm a big fan of Confluent Cloud and its stream lineage feature that allows you to visualize all of your stream processors on a graph and topics as well and inspect metadata. And I wanted to explore how feasible it is to build something like this using open source tools. And I did. For the data catalog, I've chosen DataHub. It's, I think, the most popular open source solution. And also has integrations with Kafka and Open Lineage. I'm not using Open Lineage in this POC, but it's there. It might be helpful in the future. So this is the graph that I've built. You can explore the graph, navigate it, and see how different components talk to each other. Each node represents a separate service. It has all the topics integrates with. You can see which components are downstream, which are upstream. You can also inspect the topics themselves because there is an integration with schema registry. Here the schema is extremely simple, but it's available. The solution is designed to have minimal development overhead. It only has a few configuration classes that report your lineage. So the way it works is in the beginning you register your processors as nodes. In the solution, one service is one node. And then a stateful bean registers all of the topics you're consuming from in the service and the topics you're publishing to. And using aspect-oriented programming, you intercept the consumption and production events, build a list of topics in the stateful bin, and then if something new happens, you start publishing to a new topic, you publish the lineage event to DataHub. It is very simple and very general, so it's designed for really small microservices. If you want to use it, you might tweak it so that within a single service you might define multiple flows. The pattern still will be useful, but it might require some more configuration in the beginning. All code is available on GitHub. It's described in detail, both how to run it. There is a single Docker Compose file, but a few steps before because yeah, it's described in detail. But also on the bottom, I've explored different approaches, different possible approaches to capture lineage in application. So if you have questions about this, don't hesitate to reach out. I've built this so that this would be useful. Yeah, and everything is run from a single Docker Compose file. In this Docker Compose, you have Kafka, you have schema registry, Kafka UI. So a basic Kafka setup, and on top of this, DataHub. It took a moment to get DataHub to work from a single Docker Compose, and it's with Kafka 4.0, so this also might be interesting for some reason. And then there are a few services that are used to build this graph. However, these are just multiple instances of a single service that where I tweak the topics it's consuming from and a few other variables as environment variables. I've chosen DataHub because it's very popular, widely adopted, and I wanted to start using a data catalog so that it could support the concept of building data products. DataHub has lineage support, but also supports data discoverability, documentation, and has data contracts. So all of this, it's really a pretty mature solution, even though it was a pain to integrate because the code itself and the Java library that I was using is not very well documented. But this might mean that this POC would be valuable because the integration already works, so you can use it as a point of reference. Yeah, so that's all. The code is available. I'll paste a link as well. If you find this helpful, or if you think some ideas here are incorrect, I would love to get some feedback on this. Good luck.